Hello everyone. In this video we will see page replacement algorithms. So in last video we saw what page replacement means. Now we will see how this page replacement done with the algorithm. The first algorithm is first in first out. So this, as the name refers, the first frame which came to the main memory will be replaced first. So coming to the example, let's consider there are reference string, means this is the string which implicates what is the page to be needed by computer or the CPU for execution. But you have 3 pages, means 3 frames given for the process. So each time 3 pages can be in the main memory for time for the process. Means if I have a process 1 and this is the frame sequence to be, or the page sequence to be executed, and the process 1 is given with only 3 frames in the main memory. Using these 3 frames, with the help of first in first out algorithm, we have to replace the frames. How it works? Based on first in and first out. And the first frame which is which is in the sequence will allocate first, then the next frame and the next frame. After 3 times there is no more free frames available. After no free frames available, then the concept of page replacement comes. So according to this first in first out algorithm, the frame which came first need to leave first and allow the next frame to execute. So next frame is 2, the frame which came first is 7, then it is replaced with 2. Then 0, the frame which is 0 is since existing in the frames of the main memory, there is no page replacement. The next page is 3, in the allocated frames 3 is not there. Coming from the first in, 7 is replaced, next replacement has to done for 0th frame, so 0 is replaced to 3. Next, the frame 0 was already replaced since there is no 0th frame in the 0th page in the frame, so the frame should be replaced with the next entered frame. According to sequence, the next entered frame is 1, so 1 is replaced with 0, then comes 4 is replaced with 2, then comes 2 is replaced with 2 is replaced with 3, because 0 came late. So this is how first in first out algorithm work. So coming to complete solution, so here we have a solution. Whenever the page is copied from the from the secondary storage to the page, there is a page copied. So there is page missing, so it got copied. So you have to calculate number of page copied or replaced. If you calculate, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pages which is copied from secondary storage to main memory, which is called as page faults or page miss. So total number of page miss is 15. Whenever the page need to be executed and it's already present, we call that as page hit. We have total 5 page hits in this sequence. So 5 page hits. To find the hit ratio, it is page hit divided by number of page, number of references or number of sequence in the number of pages in the string. So to find hit ratio, number of page hit divided by number of page references into 100 gives you the hit ratio, which is 5 hit divided by 20 into 125% is the hit ratio, and remaining will be the miss ratio. To calculate that, you can go for page miss or page fault by 20 into 100, which is 75%. So this is how FIFO illustrating bloody anonymity, where first in first out has no continuous page fault which is to be told increasing or decreasing. It only depends on the sequence of pages requested. So it varies with page fault with number of less frames, and if the number of frames are less, the page fault will be high. It varies in some point. In some point, if the number of frames is very abundant, then the page fault reduces. Means number of pages or number of frames given to a process is very huge, then page fault will be reduced. If it is very small, then the page fault will be huge. If it is moderate, then the page fault cannot be predicted. It may change according to the sequence of pages requested. Coming to next algorithm. Next algorithm is optimal algorithm. In optimal algorithm, the concept here is you have to find the page replacement based on the page which is not used for longer period of time. So compare the sequence, which page which is already in the frame is no longer used or which is used in longer period of time, then allocate that frame or replace that frame with a new page. So first 3, if the frames are free, then it will be allocated till 3 frames. Then next page is 2. Before replacing with 701 with page number 2, you have to check which among 701 which is the page which is not used or which is used far. 0 is used right away, so you cannot replace with 0. Then go compare. 1 is used after 0. Compare 7. 7 is the page which is used after very long time, so 2 is replaced with 7. Next 0, since it is not replaced, it stays here. Next come page 3. So 3 is not in the frames, it has to be replaced. So find the page which is used very longest period of time. If I take 2, it is used here. If I take 0, it is used here. If I take 1, it is used somewhere here. So out of 0 to 1, 1 is used in longer period of time. So 3 is replaced with 1. Coming to page 0, which is already there. So this is the hit and this is the hit. Next comes 4. So find the frame out of 203 which is used longest duration of time. If I take 2 and 3, they are used next. If I take 0, which is used after it. So 2, 3, 0. Now compared to 2, 3, 0, 0 is used with longer duration. So 4 is replaced. If comes 2, this is hit and 3 is hit. So this is how optimal algorithm works. So to calculate hit and miss ratio according to optimal algorithm, so for the same string, the hit ratio or page hits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have 11 page hits and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 miss. So to calculate hit ratio, it is 11 by 20 into 100, where hit ratio is 55% and miss ratio 9 by 20 into 100, which is 45%. So I hope you understood these two algorithms.